Hi Scorpions, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for November 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to dive into these oracle decks that I have here. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Scorpions. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November 2021, we have the Page of Pentacles right here. You may have made minor gains at this time, though you had been promised much. I think enhanced communication was also the key here. Maybe you were sought after for your words of wisdom. Seemed you had all the answers. Obstacles to overcome this November, or the challenges that November is going to pose for you, is the Hermit card. Again, you are being asked to go inwards to reflect on life. It's possible that there'll be disagreements, maybe work pressure is also going to tell on you. I think you believe that responsibilities are increasing and that people are saddling you with more and more work. Sometimes, in personal relationships also, you may be feeling as though you're unwanted. Perhaps it would be prudent, Scorpions, not to imagine or presuppose things. Maybe you have a tendency to think too much this month. Like I said, Scorpions, it's best to delve deeper, to introspect, and to keep away from these unnecessary arguments or quarrels. Influences for this month, we have the Two of Swords. Possibly there could be something which could be a dilemma for you. Maybe you are deciding upon how you need to proceed. Perhaps there are two sets of answers before you. I think it would be best if you would take the advice of senior figures, possibly father figure or your elders at home, or even at work. You can discuss these issues with them. I think, Scorpions, you should follow your instinct as well, as this is a swords energy, so certainly you're going to use your intellect to good effect. Certainly you will enjoy the mental stimulation. At work also, Scorpions, maybe you should be more responsive to what the boss is saying. I think your superior may feel that you are inattentive at work. Perhaps you should not give them a reason to complain. Maybe it's also time to pull up your socks. Sometimes you may also feel as though your colleagues take all the credit or they walk away with the plaudits, though you are the one who has done the hard work. Nevertheless, this month is also the time when you will be getting out of a messy situation. The first 10 days of November, we have the Four of Pentacles. I think you need to be prepared because expenses could mount. Maybe even if money is coming in, it could be spent, or maybe you owe somebody some money, so that is why you may feel as though money is flowing out. Maybe you feel that your work idea or your creative ideas find no takers, that is why you may feel a bit dejected as well. Nevertheless, I think your loved ones will promote your talent. You should also network a bit. Maybe there will be gains through communication. I think while working also, you may be a bit stressed out because colleagues aren't systematic. You like discipline, you like order. You don't like disorder and chaos, so that is why I think you could have disagreements with them on the same lines. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th November, we have the Ace of Swords. I think time seems to be at a premium here. Maybe you feel that there's too much on your plate. Nevertheless, I think you're someone who is going to take the bull by the horns. You're going to take the initiative. I think you will cut through these obstacles and move ahead in life. Basically, you're someone who needs to make the most of the energy flow which is coming in. Like I said, your intellect is also going to be at play this month. So again, you will be busy solving puzzles or solving problems, or you will be brainstorming with colleagues. Scorpions, you can also take heart from the fact that this time you should be able to ink those deals very quickly. I think deals will be finalized very quickly, and you'll also be glad that money is going to come in. Maybe some last minute deals could also be sealed at this time. The final days of November, we have the Ace of Wands. Again, this is a very creative energy. It's the Wands energy, so certainly you are going to be up and about. Maybe technical work or paperwork is also going to increase in this month. However, Scorpions, I think you should take an advance before you provide services to others. In this time also, you're someone who craves newness. I think you will get the support of your trusted aides or your loved ones. Maybe you're also going to meet up with old acquaintances. We do have 2 aces in your reading, so certainly this is the time for new beginnings. With respect to your love life, I have this card, fresh start. Like I said, you have the Ace of Swords. We also have the Ace of Wands. So it's all talking about something new or time for a new beginning. So even in your love life, I think you need to make a fresh start, or maybe you need to make amends and give this relationship a chance. Maybe you should nurture it, or perhaps many of you should take a walk by the woods with your beloved. I think you're also somebody who could make an effort to reach out to the person whom you fancy. Maybe your confidant could ask you not to be too persuasive. In all likelihood, you want to renew contact with this person. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be forced to communicate with someone from your past. So maybe this could also be someone who has stolen your heart. You do have your fair share of secret admirers. I think they will make it explicit that they are interested in you. Maybe your physical allure is too hot for them to handle. Those of you who are romancing, I think you should share your views with your person. Maybe you feel that your thoughts are in sync or aligned. Definitely there will be a flurry of messages. Your person could also be someone who gets emotional as the evening sets in. Married Scorpions, I think you need to get over those petty arguments. I think you could accuse your spouse or your person of being inattentive at times. It's best to give the relationship a chance because we have this card, fresh start. By the way, Scorpions, you should also be careful not to be in an abusive relationship. Maybe a third person is also creating rifts in your relationship or your marriage. Sometimes, you could also become emotional because your person could be unwell or could be dealing with ill health. To wrap up this reading, we have this message from the universe, which is Starfish, which talks about safe passage. I think it is there in your life for guidance. Possibly you are receiving infinite divine love, inspiration from the universe as well. Besides, the starfish talks about regeneration or renewal. Maybe you need to take care of yourself. The starfish can grow its limbs back. So certainly you need to have that fresh start in your relationship, or even in your professional life, you need to recreate yourself. Every good thing that you desire is within you. Or perhaps many of you also need to fill up the void and replace it with something better this month. I hope Scorpions you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.